This tech hack is going to blow your mind. I pulled the CD player out of my truck and now I can listen to my music without having to drive anywhere. Boom! I'm gonna write a song about it that folks can listen to on eBay. In my last tech hack video, I pulled the CD player from my truck so I could listen to my music without having to drive anywhere. But it does not make a sound. It turns out it does not have integrated audio output. So I pulled the speakers from my truck and attached them to my head using only the highest quality dollar store duct tape, thereby creating the world's first head-mounted audio system. I'm gonna make so much money off this invention, I'll be able to shop at the Dollar Plus store. Why won't this turn on? In my last tech video, I pulled the CD player and the speakers out of my truck so I could create the world's first personal audio entertainment system. But it turns out this has no integrated power source and extension cords are too limiting. So I pulled a battery out of my truck, thereby creating the world's first portable power supply. I am a genius. A genius. This thing's kind of heavy. In my last tech video, I pulled the CD player, speakers, and a battery from my truck to create the world's first portable personal audio entertainment system. But it turned out to be really, really heavy. So I installed all of those components in my truck and now they weigh nothing. Game changer. I am Mr. Game Changer. I get my technical brilliance from clean living and a steady diet of Fox television. So my truck don't work no more. Yeah.